Place is really nice, deserted. Washboard roads to get here, but want to camp out away from everywhere. Still have service. Beautiful. Beautiful. See? Check it out. Look, there's one right there. They're everywhere. Oh, they even have these at every site. Oh, where's the bottom of it? Oh, there it is. Okay. I was going, what? Well, that's cool. Good way to control the burn. Yeah, man, and look at this. Look at the formations and stuff in the rock, man. Incredible. Got my other little camera, sitting here making a video of it. Look, you can. Look at this. You better watch it. You're gonna come over here and get you. He's gonna fly over here. Look at that. He landed on that hill over there. What is this green? What is this green type of rock? Is that like kryptonite or something? Some on these hills too. You can really see it. It stands out in the daytime. I imagine when it rains a whole lot, this thing gets raging. You know, this little wash here. Then on the other side, oh yeah, on the other side there's a big giant wash. Man, it would have to rain a whole lot for it to fill up though, or it'd have to rain so much, you know, all at once. What do you got, Yuki? What do you got? You watch that big bird, okay? You watch that big bird over there. If he comes over here, you scream, okay?